How to create a new Yahoo Mail account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a new Yahoo account. First of all, go to any web browser on your mobile device or a desktop, and in the web address bar type in yahoo.com. Now it'll take you to the home page of Yahoo, where in order to create a new account, you'll have to click on the option sign in, which is on the top right side of the screen. After that, it'll take you to a page like this where you'll have to click on the option create an account. Now you'll have to enter your credentials such as your full name, new Yahoo email, a password, and your birth year. So simply enter all of those. Now once you've entered all of these, simply click on continue. And now you'll have to enter your mobile number. So enter your mobile number and then click on send code. Now you'll have to prove that you are not a robot. So click on this box right over here and then click on continue. Now Yahoo will send a verification code to your mobile number, so enter the code sent to your mobile device. So my code is 17565 and then click on verify. And there you have it. You have successfully created a new Yahoo account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.